Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Vita's Digital Denture solutions. First, we are going to start off with the Vigo print resins. They have two base colors, pink and pink translucent, and I believe 7 of the teeth shades. This one is a pink base. So all you can see here is that I'm mixing the actual resin base material inside the pink base. And then what I'm going to do after that is then I'm simply just going to apply the printed teeth on top of that. And then you're going to want to cure it. I cured it in the auto flash, 400 flashes, and then 1800 twice with the gas. So for the other half, I'm going to use the Vita Vionic Vigo. These are individually carded teeth that is built in the software. You can use the Vita Vionic Dent Disc, which is also another option. They're basically the same, except for the Vigo teeth are individual. Then you would use the bond for those. For printed, you use printed. For this, you use the Vigo bond. And here's the measuring that you can see. There's also, it comes with the instruction booklet. It comes in a kit, as you can see here. This is just the entire kit, which is telling you what to do. I'm just double checking to make sure that all the teeth fit. 99% of the time, they always usually fit, but you never know, right? You mix this for the material. Once you put A and B together, or 1 and 2 together, you mix for about 30 seconds. Once everything's mixed, you apply a generous amount of the material, the bond material, inside each socket. At the end, you will have overfill, which is obviously a good thing. That means you overfilled it. Just make sure you use glass beads and clean off the excess. If you don't clean off the excess, it could turn into like a little orange tinge years down the road because that bond needs to be cleaned off. That's all. Also, you can add it to the teeth as well, which doesn't hurt. I added to the canine for this one simply because there was a little hole. I don't know if you saw that. And at the end, if I want, I can trim that on the underside. This is just something that I just wanted to show people that if it does have a hole, that's fine. If a little bit sticks out on the underside, still bond it as long as you have enough surface to bond, and then just trim on the underside of it. You want to add a little bit of pressure, make sure everything's nice and snug. You don't want to overpressure it, you just keep it there. You have 2 options of curing it. You can do it 30-minute bench cure, then 20 minutes in the pressure pot, or just let it sit for 12 hours and it'll cure on its own. And there you go. One side printed, one side carded. Thanks again.